Install window shutters. When you install window shutters, you are adding privacy and beauty to your home. Shutters help control light more elegantly than interior blinds. Shutters can be installed inside the window frame or on the outside of the frame. Outside mount styles are less time-consuming and easier, so they are better suited to the do-it-yourselfer. In order to get started installing your shutters, you will need a few things: a tape measure, screwdriver, and a drill, the hardware that comes with your shutters, and hanging strips. Before beginning installation, paint and seal your new shutters. This is easier to do before they are hanging and eliminates the danger of painting over the hardware. Use a good outdoor paint that matches or complements the trim of your house. You will need to attach the hanging strips next to the window frame. They should be painted to match either your shutters or window frame. Hanging strips are 3/4 wooden strips that you will mount the shutters onto. In some cases, your window frame may be wide enough to attach the shutters directly, though this may ruin the aesthetics of the treatment. You will then need to hinge the shutters together using the face mount hinges. These should be included with your shutters. Make sure to place the hinges correctly so they will open and close easily without sticking. You may need to use a spacer to achieve this. Attach hinges to the edges of the shutters. The instructions from the manufacturer should tell you where to place them on your particular shutters. Hold the shutters up to the window and mark on the hanging strips with a pencil where the screws go. Set the shutters down and drill a starter hole for the screws. Verify one last time that your shutters are even with each other and the window frame. Make sure they will close flush together with no overlap or gaps. Screw the hinges to the hanging strips. Make sure you drill the screws straight in and tighten them firmly. You do not want the screws to close to the edge of the hanging strips, or you will run the danger of splintering the wood. Now you can install the window shutters. Lift each shutter up to the window and line up the hinges. Slide the hinge pin in. Complete for each hinge. Your new window shutters should look good for years to come. If down the road you would like to update the look of your home, consider shutters to add architectural interest.